A group of medical workers from East China's Nanjing city is providing Tibetan children aged 0 to 18 with free congenital heart disease screening and treatment. It's estimated that around 2,000 children will receive the screening during the 4-day program. Children diagnosed as having congenital heart disease will receive free treatment in Nanjing.
先孕的这个重点难点呢，事实上现在已经不在于做手术或者是治疗，它的重点跟难点是在于早期发现、早期处理。那么对于高原上呢、边远地区的这些孩子，早期发现、早期诊断然后早期治疗是尤为重要。
In recent years, Tibet is continuously strengthening congenital heart disease screening and treatment with the help from other provincial level regions.